In the world of bodybuilding, achieving your desired physique goes beyond just lifting weights and following a strict diet. One crucial element that often gets overlooked is the mind-muscle connection. This concept refers to the mental focus and awareness you bring to your workouts, which can significantly enhance your overall effectiveness. When you concentrate on the specific muscles you are working, you not only improve your form but also increase muscle engagement, leading to better gains. In this video, we will delve into the importance of mental focus during your workouts. You'll learn how to harness this connection to maximize your performance and results. We'll explore various muscle engagement techniques that can help you develop a deeper awareness of your body, ensuring that every representative counts. Moreover, we'll take a holistic approach by discussing how combining mental and physical fitness can elevate your bodybuilding journey. By integrating mindfulness practices into your routine, you can create a more balanced workout experience that promotes not just physical strength but also mental resilience. So, whether you're a seasoned bodybuilder or just starting out, understanding and mastering the mind-muscle connection can be a game-changer. Get ready to transform your workouts and unlock your full potential as we guide you through this essential aspect of bodybuilding. Understanding mind-muscle connection. The mind-muscle connection is a fundamental concept in bodybuilding that refers to the conscious focus and awareness you bring to the specific muscles you are training. This connection is significant because it can dramatically enhance muscle activation, leading to more effective workouts and better overall gains. When you mentally engage with the muscle you're working, you're not just going through the motions, you're actively stimulating those fibers to grow and strengthen. Research shows that mental focus can lead to improved muscle activation. When you concentrate on a particular muscle during an exercise, your brain sends stronger signals to that muscle, resulting in greater recruitment of muscle fibers. This means that the more you focus, the more effectively you can engage those muscles, ultimately leading to better results. Elite bodybuilders often utilize this connection to maximize their training. For instance, many top athletes will visualize the muscle they are working on during each rep, ensuring they feel every contraction and stretch. They may also employ techniques like slow, controlled movements to enhance their focus and engagement. By doing so, they not only improve their performance but also reduce the risk of injury by maintaining proper form. In summary, understanding and applying the mind-muscle connection can be a game-changer in your bodybuilding journey, allowing you to unlock new levels of strength and muscle growth. Techniques to enhance mind-muscle connection. Improving your mind-muscle connection can significantly elevate your workout effectiveness, and there are several actionable techniques you can implement. One powerful method is visualization. Before you begin an exercise, take a moment to visualize the specific muscle you are targeting. Picture it contracting and stretching with each movement. This mental imagery can help you focus your energy on that muscle, enhancing your awareness and engagement throughout the workout. Another effective technique is to slow down your movements. Instead of rushing through your sets, take your time to perform each representative with control. Slowing down allows you to feel the muscle working, making it easier to connect mentally with the physical sensations. This approach not only improves your mind-muscle connection but also helps maintain proper form, reducing the risk of injury. Additionally, consider using lighter weights during your workouts. While it might be tempting to lift heavy, prioritizing form and connection is crucial for developing a strong mind-muscle link. By using lighter weights, you can focus more on the quality of each representative rather than the quantity. This allows you to concentrate on the target muscles, ensuring they are fully engaged and activated. Incorporating these techniques into your training routine can lead to improved muscle activation and better overall results. By enhancing your mind-muscle connection, you'll be well on your way to achieving your bodybuilding goals. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to developing a strong mind-muscle connection, there are several common pitfalls that can hinder your progress. One of the most significant mistakes is lifting too heavy without proper focus. While pushing your limits is essential for growth, prioritizing weight over form can lead to disengagement from the target muscles. When you lift excessively heavy weights, your body may compensate by using other muscle groups, which diminishes the effectiveness of the exercise and can increase the risk of injury. Another critical factor is distractions during workouts. Whether it's scrolling through your phone, chatting with friends, or listening to loud music, distractions can take your focus away from the muscles you're trying to engage. This lack of concentration can prevent you from fully connecting with your body, ultimately reducing the effectiveness of your training session. To combat this, consider creating a focused workout environment where you can concentrate solely on your movements. Lastly, neglecting proper warm-up and muscle activation can severely impact your mind-muscle connection. Skipping warm-ups can leave your muscles unprepared for the workout ahead, making it harder to engage them effectively. A thorough warm-up not only prepares your body physically but also mentally primes you for the exercises to come. Incorporating dynamic stretches and activation exercises can enhance your awareness of the target muscles, setting the stage for a more productive workout. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can significantly improve your mind-muscle connection and maximize your bodybuilding gains. Integrating mind-muscle connection into your routine. Incorporating the mind-muscle connection into your training regimen can lead to significant improvements in your bodybuilding results. One effective way to start is by setting specific goals for each workout session. Instead of simply aiming to complete a certain number of sets or reps, focus on what you want to achieve with each exercise. For example, you might set a goal to fully engage your biceps during curls or to feel your glutes working during squats. Having clear objectives will help you maintain focus and enhance your connection with the target muscles. Another valuable tool is keeping a workout journal. Documenting your workouts not only allows you to track your progress but also helps you reflect on your feelings during each session. Note how well you were able to connect with your muscles, any challenges you faced, and the techniques that worked best for you. This practice can provide insights into your training and help you identify areas for improvement. Creating a focused environment is equally important for enhancing your mind-muscle connection. Aim to eliminate distractions during your workouts. This might mean turning off your phone, choosing a quieter gym time, or using noise-canceling headphones. A dedicated space where you can concentrate solely on your movements will allow you to engage more deeply with your body and the exercises you're performing. By setting specific goals, keeping a journal, and creating a focused environment, you can effectively integrate the mind-muscle connection into your routine and elevate your bodybuilding journey. In summary, the mind-muscle connection is a vital aspect of bodybuilding that can significantly enhance your gains. By focusing your mental energy on the specific muscles you are training, you can improve muscle activation, refine your form, and ultimately achieve better results. Throughout this video, we've discussed various techniques to strengthen this connection, including visualization, slowing down movements, and using lighter weights to prioritize form. We also highlighted common mistakes to avoid, such as lifting too heavy without focus, allowing distractions during workouts, and neglecting proper warm-up routines. By steering clear of these pitfalls and integrating the techniques we've shared, you can elevate your training and unlock your full potential. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action. We encourage you to apply these strategies in your next workout and observe how they impact your performance and results. Remember, the journey to mastering the mind-muscle connection takes time and practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on bodybuilding and fitness. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow fitness enthusiasts who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's build a community focused on achieving our fitness goals and maximizing our potential. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.